This
yourself,
conference will now be recorded.
and your project. What are the expectations from this course?
Currently, I'm working as an IT manager at ESIC Corporation, Odisha. Hello. 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 I'm audible. Hello.
Can you hear me or not?
It's hearing, but am I audible to you?
You are going offline
Hello.
and coming. No, you are going offline and coming again. Okay. Anyway, so you are working as a IT manager.
Manager.
Then,
Yeah.
okay. What are the expectations you have in this course?
Actually, I have done something on Ruby and Rails before that.
Okay.
Hello. But I'm not confident to work on any project with Ruby and Rails.
Okay.
That's why I'm refreshing that knowledge.
Okay.
But if any practical project available, then I will do that also.
Okay, no problem. So you already have the idea of Ruby on Rails, and you are trying to recall all this stuff. So have you taken courses anywhere, or have you taken the courses by yourself?
I have
How you
by myself only.
Okay. So if I give you the marks, how you will be evaluating yourself in this Ruby on Rails? Are you very proficient, or
It is from 10. It is from 10 to 4. It is only 40%.
Come again, sorry.
If full mark is 10, then I will secure only 30 to 40% only.
Oh, okay. So you have the medium idea. Beginner level idea. Okay, no problem. Okay. Okay, then so we can do something like this for you. So if you want to do the projects or something, let me show you the course content after the demo session. If you know the topic, then no problem, skip it, and we can go for the next topic. Like that, we can modify and we can make a customized syllabus for you.
Okay.
Okay. Can you able to see my screen?
Current. Yeah. It is Ruby and Rails building web application.
Yeah, I'm having 13 years of experience in this Ruby on Rails field. So I'm providing training, online training, project guidance, everything in this platform. I'm doing freelancing, and I'm working with lots
currently, are you working with any project or not?
Me? You're asking me?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm working with freelancing project. Sedin Technologies, Chennai, some other companies from US. So I'm working with the project also, not only training. Okay.
Okay. It's fine.
Okay. Okay, you are checking whether I have the updated knowledge or not, like that?
No, that's not. But I want to work on project only. In project, live project.
Okay, no problem. In that case, if you know the concepts already, then no problem. I can give you the project, 3 different project, real-time scenarios. You can no need to take the theoretical part. You can directly work on the part. Okay.
But first of all, I want to review that part also. Ruby and Rails. But I want to review myself also. But certain.
Okay, let me show you the curriculum then. Okay. Now instead of giving you the boring PPT, let me show you the curriculum. If you know the concepts already, we can skip it and we can directly get into the project. But if you want to refresh something, what about Ruby? Are you, when you learn Ruby on Rails, have you worked on Ruby as well? Have you learned Ruby as well?
Yeah.
Ruby as well, Ruby programming language as well. Have you learned Ruby by yourself?
Yeah, myself only. It's from online tutorial.
Okay, fine. So this is the topic we are going to cover. Okay, so introduction about Ruby and Ruby on Rails, the architecture part, and then Ruby on Rails, what are the things, installation. Okay, so these are very basic. It will take 1 hour to complete. Okay, so after that we will talk about the directory layout, Rails configuration, creating your first project with scaffolding. So it will take the second hour. So after completing that, we will be getting into the Ruby part. Okay, so this Ruby part will take nearly 6 to 7 hours to complete. Okay, so object oriented programming language, methods, classes, modules, arrays, hashes, control structures, regular expression, blocks, iterators, files and IO, ranges, methods, mixing, string, fix num, exception, operators. So these are Ruby basic steps. What are the idea you need for the Rails knowledge? Okay, so we will talk about this for 6 to 7 hours. After that, we will come to the active record again. So here we will talk about the tables, primary key, columns, the CRUD operation, migrations, running the migration, relationship between tables, association, and then validation, callbacks, query interfacing. So now in this Ruby topics, let me know what are the topics you don't know. You are seeing the screen, right? You are seeing the list, right? So in this, which topic you don't know, let me, so I can able to give you that idea.
No, please start with from introduction only. I want to refresh that
Starting
also.
with,
Starting from introduction. Okay.
I'm not getting you. Come again.
Ma'am, please start from introduction only. Okay.
Start from introduction. You want to start
Think
from the
that
introduction itself.
yeah. Think that I don't know nothing about Ruby and Rails. Okay.
Okay. Okay, fine. Okay, so this is the syllabus. Okay, so it will take nearly 20 hours to complete. Okay, so 20 hours means we can make it in a if you are spending 2 hours per day, we can complete within 2 weeks of time. Okay, I mean 3 weeks of time. If you can make it 1 hour per day, so something like that based on your availability. First 20 hours will go in this syllabus. Okay, so after that
Okay.
we will go for 3 applications. Okay, 3 applications.
Okay.
First one, uh, 3 real-time application. So first one,
Yeah.
you will be creating a blog application. Have you worked on the blog application earlier?
No.
Any blog application?
No.
No. Okay. Second one is user profile. So you will be working on some user profile without device gem. Okay. So without
Okay.
device gem means we are using some gems, right? So without that, we will
Yeah.
create the user profile. Third one, you will be
Okay.
working on e-commerce application. Okay,
Yeah.
so this is the 3 project I will give you, and if you
Okay.
want to these are the some kind of real-time scenarios I will give you, one blog
Okay.
and then some e-commerce application. So for
Okay.
practicing, I will give you maybe at the weekend or something, I will give you some other offline examples, simple assignments I will provide you. Okay, so like
Okay.
that you can have these three. So this blog application will take 2 days of time. Okay, you are
Okay.
2 days of time. Otherwise, it will take 3 days because I don't know how you are busy with your current work. I'm not sure. So 3 days.
Yeah.
This take another totally we can say 3 hours. Let me say 3 hours. And this is user profile. This is let me say 5 hours. And this e-commerce. Let me say
Okay.
4 hours. This will take nearly 7, 3, 10. Okay, let me have 6 hours. Okay, so totally we can plan for 13 to 14 hours. Okay, so totally I
Okay.
can tell you if you are spending 35 hours totally. Okay,
Yeah.
okay, you can able to make it up completely.
Oh.
Okay,
Okay, madam.
so that is
Okay.
35 hours. I will include the syllabus. I shown you the syllabus, right? So this one as well
Yeah.
as these applications. Everything is real-time application, e-commerce, everything. I have a
Okay.
module-wise coding, and I will give you the instruction how to do that. Okay, we will be discussing in the
Okay.
in class. After the session, you need to do it. So like that, we can
Okay.
have both of the practice. So it will go for a
Okay.
very lengthy program, 35 hours. Okay, now let me know. Are you connecting from US or India?
Yeah, India only.
India only. Okay. So then
Yeah.
what you can do, whenever you are available, maybe during your early morning
My
or late night. Yeah.
my office hour is from 9:30
You,
to 6. My
okay.
office timing
So
is
you need to
9:30
make
to
it
6.
under. Okay. So you will make probably in the evening. Okay.
If
Am I right?
possible, morning or morning.
Morning I
Morning
will
from
be available
7.
at morning 7. I won't be available. Morning 8 will be 8 only. I will be available. After
8
reaching your
to
office, can you? Yeah, 8 to 9
yeah,
would be fine. Mm.
8 to
Okay.
9.
Let me know.
I'll be there.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Right. So after reaching your office, can you able to take the training? Is that possible?
No.
No. Okay. If it after 6 means, can you spend some time like 9:30 to 10:30 in India hours?
Yeah. 9:30 to 10:30 is
9:30 to
possible.
possible,
10:30.
right? Okay, then we can
Yeah.
do something like that. And Monday to Friday sessions will be there. Saturday, based on your availability, my availability, Saturday, Sunday, we can have excess session if needed. Okay. So like that, Monday to
Okay.
Friday, definitely we will. Saturday and Sunday,
Okay.
based on your availability, my availability, we can
Mm,
discuss that. Okay. So totally, we
okay.
can
Okay.
go for 35 hours. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so I
Oh,
don't worry about the content and the work blog application. I'm in this kind of profile because I'm currently working on the projects and I'm doing this kind of training and projects for the last 13 years. Okay, don't worry about
yeah.
this coding and then training and all the stuffs. As you can learn something daily 1 hour per day, then you can able to complete within I think within 2 months of your time. Okay, so within 2 months
Okay.
of your time, get this project and then this knowledge. So where are you working right now, Shagu?
I'm currently at ESIC, Central Government ESIC
Okay, they
Corporation,
are having Ruby
implemented.
on Rails project. Yeah, they
Yeah.
have Ruby on Rails project, or yeah, I mean, are they
No.
working with
Actually,
Ruby on Rails?
I'm working as a contractual basis.
Okay, okay, fine, right. Okay, what about your coding experience? And then, do you have any
Hmm.
idea of any object-oriented
No,
programming language like Java or
no,
C++?
nothing about that. No
Nothing
experience.
about that. But what
I,
is your
yeah.
basic
Before,
degree? Computer science and engineering.
before computer science engineering, BTech, computer science.
Okay, but you should know object-oriented programming language, right? Maybe
Uh-huh.
during your college
No,
days, you learned about.
I know about all of that of coding, but
Okay,
I
but
currently I'm
not
working
using
as
that.
work, not using that.
Yeah,
Okay.
right. You know them, right? Databases and then
Yeah.
HTML. So
Uh-huh.
these are
Yeah.
some basic
Yeah.
things. You may hear about that. Maybe sometime the
HTML, I
before.
also know about Java,
Okay,
and all about .NET,
okay,
SQL, all about.
okay, okay, fine. So
Okay.
you have the idea, right? So then you can able to
Yeah.
do that. No problem. Okay. Okay, so what about the coding side? I mean, whether you have tried any other coding stuff like .NET or have you done any
Mm,
projects in that area?
no, ma'am. Actually, I'm already in the college time. I know about that, but after college time,
Okay.
after college, I'm working as a network assistant,
Oh,
mainly
okay.
implementation
Mm,
engineer, implementation
okay.
engineer, and then only I'm promoted to IT manager. Currently, I'm handling
Okay.
both
Okay.
hardware and networking, and with software. That is website maintenance
Okay.
of
Okay.
all
I get it.
ESIC Odisha region.
Oh, okay. Fine. Okay. Okay, fine. So this is the idea. You want me to ask any more questions?
Actually, I need support to any live project because I
Maybe,
want to I
but I
because
need.
I want to shift job after 1 year.
Okay.
That's why
After
I
one
want to
year, you
know
need
about
to.
the shift.
Okay. Okay.
That's why.
Okay, no problem. Okay. So let us know your availability and when we can start, then we can able to start the classes. Okay. check with the
Actually,
responding organization.
Delhi 9:30 to 10:30. Before also last night
Yeah,
हो जाए. Okay.
yeah, right.
Okay.
Any more questions,
Actually,
Shagu?
no, no.
Okay, no problem. Okay, just check with them, check with the timings and everything, update me. So when you are available, let us know so we can start the classes. Okay, maybe from Monday or maybe from next week, whenever you are available, let me know. Okay.
Okay, maybe from Tuesday onwards. Okay.
Okay, no problem. Let me know. Okay, your availability. Based on your availability, we can do that. No issues.
Okay.
Okay, Shagu, thank you so much. You please get contact with the corresponding organizer. They will give you the instruction how to join. Okay. Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.